What's up, guys? Welcome back. Aki, Gunfield, Gun Fiend or Gun Devil. I can hear people screaming spoilers in the comments already. Patreon question, Patrick. This is just Aki resting on the ground. That's all. I mean, there's a bit of ketchup, so there's no spoilers. There can't be a spoiler. He's just asleep, like after eating a big burger, and there's just ketchup everywhere. So, landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. I guess we gotta start with the gun that's coming out of his forehead for no reason. Go. So, what we do? So it's drawn real rough. So in that sort of manga style. So we go down this way. I'll try and clean it up a bit. And then it goes, we'll give it an angle here, and then down that way. This kind of melds with his head somehow, but we'll figure that out. So we'll go across, and then across the top, and then it goes down. There seems to be a chunk taken out of it, or maybe it's just the design of the barrel. It goes that way. Go again. Down to his head. Of course, you get like all hair spikes and stuff sticking out of Aki's head here as well. So we gotta make this kind of look like a gun, this shape. So make it look a bit 3D, right? Starting up here. And then it'll go down that way, and then maybe in, and then up to here, and then we got like the barrel sort of goes maybe this way. There's like some extra sort of lines here. It's all shadow here, but if I remember correctly from the design of the gun, there's all like wrinkles and stuff here. It's like it's not, isn't it? Like on the side, there's all like this kind of stuff. Like it's all sort of weird. The manga artist just does a big black shadow here. He doesn't even draw it in, so. And it's all sort of like blending with his face, coming over the nose and everything here, right? So it's all like, it's all wrinkly around. This is lots of this black sort of stuff. You could just color that black if you wanted. There's like blood everywhere anyway. I mean ketchup. And then sort of the barrel of the gun. It's like a black hole just here. And I'll just like color this black. And there's like a detail like this around it. I think it goes down to another circle. Unclear, however. There's another circle here. We'll give it a bit of an edge, just try and make it look a bit 3D. Okay, so then That's all I can see of it. Like there's a big black shadow there, so that's all I can see of the gun. So his hair, so it seems to like just hang down over his face here. Quite long hair spikes. Then his eyes all just kind of weird under here. Top of the head comes down this way. Long black hair. Spiking. So this is all hair. Kind of like hanging down over his ear, sort of there. And on the other side, kind of a hairline there. Then like what looks like wrinkles and stuff of his skin under all that gun, you know. So nose comes out from just underneath the butt of the gun, so I would say going this way. It kind of goes down here. Then maybe you could see a nostril on the other side. And then like a nostril there. So we get the face shape. So like the side of his cheek, kind of like just this way. His chin kind of disappears into his neck. So there's a bit of a gap here, and then there's like a jawline sort of going here and up to his ear. Unclear, there's like extra lines and stuff. Like I think his Adam's apple's there, like a neck muscle that side. And then his ear sort of hanging this side. So in the back of his neck, there's that hair. It's like a combination of hair, his suit, and the back of his neck. So I'm going to go hair first. And then his like neck goes that way. So there's like ear lines inside this. A black earring. Okay. So his mouth then. Gonna make it look like it's open a bit. So we'll go like a downturned sort of thing first. Then see if we can like open it up in the corners. Just kind of flat. And then we'll go up the top. Over the top lip. Down there. We'll just add a bit of shadow just to make that look like his kind of teeth, you know. There's a bit of a bottom lip line. bit of a shadow here. Okay, so lots of ketchup. It was, you know, it was a really nice burger. So like, there's some ketchup coming out of his nose. And you could color this red, but if you're using that like black ink, you would just do it. Like, you can still color red over this area anyway. And then there's some like coming out the sides of his mouth. You know, he forgot to wipe himself off. It'll annoy people when I do that. Probably does. It's just ketchup, I swear. His face is all scratched up. So lots of dirt, and like he does a splatter of a brush, it looks like. So right, and then collar of his shirt here. And then around into the other one. And then this one goes down around his neck. Neck goes into it. And then his tie. It's all drawn real rough. It's cool how free he is with his drawing, actually. Like, he just... Some people will call it messy. Not me. Right. So that's like the color of his shirt, and then like his suit jacket just like flies off that way. And the back of it seems to be... Is that blood? Not sure. It's like his shoulder there. Maybe it's like, you know, like suit jackets have like these little areas. Like his shoulder would be there. I think this is like just like his collar. And then the tie goes doop that way. Right, and then the other side of his collar. Right. And then I'm not sure what, like, it's all sort of scratchy down here, but I assume it's just like shirt lines and stuff. Lots of dirt and ketchup. There's like a shadow behind his head. Rightio. Okay, Patrick, thanks for the support on Patreon. Of course, add a bit of color, black hair, or like it's dark grayish blue hair and like dark grey blue suit and all that. I'll do that anyway at the end. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.